Once you sign into your Gmail account in your mobile, the mobile phone or Gmail app stores your password and you don't need to sign in again and again when you are checking your email. While this is pretty much useful, but the drawback is that after some time you tend to forget your password of your Gmail account, and then you start wondering that how would you find the password of your Gmail account. And in this video I am going to exactly show you that. It is a short video, so I would highly recommend to watch till the end. If you find some value, do give it a like. So we'll open the Gmail app. Then you need to click avatar icon. Here you will see the Google account. Click on that. It will take you to your account page. And here you would see different tabs like home, personal information, data privacy, security, people sharing, and payment and subscriptions. In this you need to go to the security, and within this security tab page you need to come to the extreme bottom of this page, and here you will see the password manager. And here, as you can see, that it is giving me the hint that I have 10 passwords saved in my Google account, so I can simply click on this. If you scroll down, you would see these different accounts for which the passwords are saved, and right now we are only interested in the Gmail account, which you know that it is a Google account, which I can see here by clicking this google.com. But just as a side note, Facebook account password and the password of YouTube and other all websites for which you have saved. So in order to check the Gmail account password, I will click on this google.com. It will ask me to enter the screen lock. In my case it is a fingerprint, so I'm going to use my fingerprint to unlock. And here you can see that my Google account email address and passwords both are shown here. I am not going to show you my complete password, but if you click on this unhide icon, you would see that the password now is visible. You can also click this edit option to edit your email account, and as well as you can edit your password. Similarly, you can see this, I can go to the youtube.com and I can also check the email address and saved password for this, and similarly I can edit it for this. You might also see some of the passwords which you have saved on your mobile that you might want to remove. So if you were wondering how can you remove an account from your mobile, and especially I'm talking about the Google or Gmail account, you can check out this video.